Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The first step I'm going to be doing is blow drying this wig. I'm going to be using Chi 44 Iron Guard as a heat protectant spray while I am blow drying this wig. I'm going to make sure that I section out the parts while I'm going to be blow drying. I'm going to be using the board bristle brush to make sure that all the strands are straight. I'm not going for a super sleek blowout. I'm just going for a natural blowout, something just quick and go, simple, easy, nothing too complicated. I'm going to be alternating from the board bristle brush towards the Deming brush as well. I feel more comfortable with both brushes, so I'm going to be using both of them on this wig to make sure that everything is blow dried and not wet. Okay, you don't want any wet spots in your wig because it's gonna mess up the style. So I'm gonna continue to blow dry this wig. All right, so now that blow drying is all done, you guys can see the colors in this wig. The colors are very vibrant, very like bam, out there, like there's no stopping it. Okay, look at this. Look, okay, so I personally feel like this is like a peekaboo kind of color. Okay, kind of vibe, kind of summery color. I don't know what to call it, but it's just really pretty. I love the fact that the yellow stands out while the colors in the back stands out. And then when you open the hair, watch you guys, when I open the hair, you will see the yellow just popping out like boop, peekaboo, I see you. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video right now to show you guys that I did purchase the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. This hot comb goes up to 500 Fahrenheit. It's ideal for all hair textures. Amazing. And it does come with a comb attachment. I'm not gonna use that on the wig. I'm going to take it off while I am, combing out the front of the closure because this is a 6x6 lace closure. I'm going to be using the Shears Balm wax stick just a little bit, and I'm going to get the hot comb and start pressing out the roots of the closure to make sure that everything is flat. Okay, the hot comb, I believe it was on 450, but you can definitely bump it up to 500. It goes up to 500 Fahrenheit. Now that is done, I'm going to be using my Glam Squad heat protectant to flat iron this hair. Yes, I'm going to be continue to protect the hair, okay, from any burns, from any, you don't want none of that damage ends, so you got to protect your hair. I am going to be sectioning out the hair again, and I'm going to just take out any hair out the way, pin it up, and get ready for flat ironing. I'm going to be using the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium flat iron. I love this flat iron. You guys saw my other review for this flat iron. It is amazing. Listen, this is for me personally, this is the best flat iron I have ever used in my whole entire life. It makes the hair bone straight, and it just glides through the hair so smoothly, so effortlessly, and the flow of the hair when it's straight is just bone straight, and there is no coming back from it. Like, this is literally the best flat iron I have ever used. Look at this. Look at that. Like, Y'all, please excuse my face in the next scene. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was doing. All I was just thinking was, damn, this gum is really good. All right, look at the flow. Look at the sleekness. Look at the shine, baby shine. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And now I'm going to be sectioning out the parts while I'm gonna use the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. This hot comb gets extremely hot, like hot. Okay, so you have to be very careful. So moving forward, for my natural hair, I used the Hicks hemp oil moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. It just adds hydration and shine to the hair. And then I went in with my Glam Squad conditioning hair mask, thebomb.com. Okay, thebomb.com. Now I just did my routine, my face routine. I didn't record that, my bad, sorry. And I'm going to be using this ORS hair, this is like a fertilizing serum for your hair. Let's say you have breakage or you have alopecia towards your hair, or your hairline. I'm just gonna use this product. I've been using this for about 2 years. This is literally the best product for my hair personally, because I do suffer from breakage in the front of my hair. So anytime that I'm seeing that, I make sure I go in with this product, the fertilizing serum, the bomb. Okay, the bomb. Now I'm gonna be sectioning out my hair and getting ready to blow dry. Again, you guys know that I protected my hair already, and I'm going to now start braiding my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be doing straight backs, cornrows. I did 14 braids going all the way back. I like my braids to be very small because I want my wig to lay flat, due to the fact that I am not using any kind of stocking cap method. I'm going to just put the wig straight, just pop the wig on, and that's it. So I like my braids to be small and just neat, even if I don't have a mirror in the front or the back. Well, in the front of me, I'm just gonna try my best to part the hair and just part it and braid. That's it. Okay guys, now that I'm done braiding my hair, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued and just slicking down the front of my edges, making sure that everything is laid down super flat. Once I do that, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on cool and use it to just blow out, just press down or just lay down or just sleek down the front of my hairline. Okay, so my wigs do not have any elastic band on it. I did not put any elastic band on it. The wig fits true to my head size. So my head size is a 21 circumference and the wig fits perfectly. I don't have any problems with the wig popping on my head. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't fall back, it doesn't slide or anything like that. It fits perfectly. As you guys can see, the wig is currently on, and I'm going to be using the MAC NW48. This is my overall setting powder. I'm just going to be using that inside of the wig to make the wig look like a scalpiana, a scalp. The reason why I apply my face powder is because the lace on this wig is a transparent lace, which means it's very ashy and it will not blend in with my skin tone. So I make sure that I apply my face powder. Now I'm going to be cutting the lace off the wig. Okay, I'm going to be using a zigzag motion while I am cutting the wig. I'm using my shears. While I'm cutting the lace off the wig, I'm using my shears with a zigzag motion. You see I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm not going straight because when you go straight, it's just a straight line. So you just want some kind of curve and groove, to mimic your natural hairline. Once I do that, yeah, and then I'm going to show you guys the next step. So now I know it looks a little weird, but after that I'm gonna fix it. So after that, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way foundation in the shade Hazelnut towards the middle portion, the middle part, and then I'm going to go back in with my flat iron and flat iron just the top piece of the wig. And I forgot to tell you guys, I used the Got To Be Glue free spray in the yellow can, so just like the perimeter of the lace, and I tied it down. Once I tied it down, I'm checking to see if the lace is good, and then we are done. I did my makeup. This is how it looks like when it's straight, and then this is how it looks like when it's curly. The curls are really beautiful. I love it when it's straight as well, but the curls just give it like a more like beautiful, like glamorous look. I just love this color. The color is amazing, you guys. If you have not watched my hair coloring tutorial on this wig, please, it will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. I'm very active on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up this video. Comment if you guys like the curls or you guys like the straight. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.